second ago about like wavelengths of light and how that separates, or how our diffraction grating separated that light. But did you know there's some colors that we can't see that are like outside of our visible spectrum? Now, I'm going to need another helper to help me out with this. We're going to get a bit of a demonstration to be able to see what these different colors might be that we can't see. Let's see. I need, how about way in the back this time, with the sporting KC. Yes. Come on down.
I am not going to let this happen. You understand me?
All right. Can you stand right here? Face all of your friends. They're that way, right? Okay, cool. Guys, what's your name? Travis. Let's all say, yo, Travis! Yeah, remember a minute ago I said that this might be dangerous. We don't know what this is, right? We don't know how to touch it. I'm going to tell you, you can totally touch this. All right, hold on. Now, Travis, do you have good handwriting? Teachers, does Travis have good handwriting? Yeah, okay, fair enough. All right, Travis, here's what I want you to do, buddy. I want for you to go ahead and write your name nice and big on this piece of paper here. We're going to see how good of handwriting you have. Awesome. You know, put a smiley face or something on there too. Like, or a star. Decorate that thing. Hey, okay, I think that's fair. All right. Now, Travis. It's not bad. I can read it. It says Travis with a smiley face. Nicely done. All right, you go ahead and I'll take that marker before it can be creepy with it. All right. Now, you guys, can we read that? Kind of hard to see. It's not your handwriting. I promise. All right. No, it's kind of hard to see, isn't it? Like, it kind of blends in with this paper. Now, we have a way that we're going to use a special kind of light, a special wavelength of light that we normally can't see. It's something called ultraviolet. You guys say ultraviolet. I know a lot of y'all have probably, you all in your meeting. There you go, perfect. Now, you guys, you all have probably seen ultraviolet lights. We also call them black lights. They look a lot like this. And when we shine it, you can't really see it like if I shine it on my hand. You can't really see it on my hand. And that's because there's nothing in my hand that's really reacting to it. But my lab coat is definitely reflecting a lot of that light. It's actually absorbing a lot of that ultraviolet and re-emitting that as what we see as this brighter, almost purplish color. Now, Travis, hold your name right up. There you go, a little bit higher. Hold it like that. Perfect. All right. You count to 3. We're going to shine this on here. And hopefully, it's going to illuminate Travis's writing a little bit better so we can see how good his writing really is. All right, here we go. You ready? Set. Go. In a second. Ah! It's like it's glowing. So the highlighter that Travis wrote that with, can you see it? It's pretty bright, right? So the highlighter that Travis wrote this with is absorbing that wavelength, that ultraviolet light. It's absorbing that and then re-emitting that energy in a wavelength or a color that we can see. You guys, can we all give Travis a huge